Boy, do we have a banger today. Absolutely crazy morning. As you guys see in the title and the thumbnail, we were down minus $1,000 per account, so minus 20 grand, and we flipped that shit around to be about plus 110 per account, so around $2,000 total. Very, very emotional pre-market and market open. I should have waited for this setup that we've been waiting for literally all pre-market since 5 a.m. We were sitting here waiting for this setup. So happy that we ended up getting it, happy that we ended up executing on it properly and brought these accounts back to green on the day. Very, very tough day, but shit, all it takes is 1 or 2 trades to bring you back. Should have these accounts hopefully passed within the next 2 weeks, and we'll be able to get those $40,000 to $80,000 a month withdrawals, and we're gonna go from there. Just gotta keep the emotions in check, right? I think we're doing a little bit better job of that. Just gonna take some time, but appreciate you guys tuning in for the second video, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to day 2 of the funded account challenge. Yesterday I did not trade. On Friday I did not trade. I'm coming back to start the fresh week. Looking to get these accounts. My goal for today is around 300 to 400 bucks. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm eyeing up NG. We're like up like 10 bucks real quick. I just took like a quick little snap. But up around 10 bucks, pretty much break even. I'm looking at NG for this trend flip. I like the way that we're breaking out a trend here. Potential 263 bounce. Yeah, we're gonna go from there. Let's see. I am watching ES as well on a retest. I'm not sure if we're gonna quite get it. I'm looking for around like 44925 retest. But I'm hoping we get this NG pullback because I think NG has pretty wide move up into this range right here. Continuation back up to like the 266s potentially. We missed this low from just pretty much going from zone to zone, so we missed that low unfortunately. All right, we just got filled on the retest here on ES. I'm just gonna put risk pretty close here. Risk is going to be about a point, so about $50. Because if we break back up into this range, most likely going to see trend again. And that's not the goal of this trade. The goal of this trade is to see that bounce off of this. I like the way we're bouncing already. We're up $62, so it's a pretty decent start. I want to see back up into these highs or potentially break them to come back up into this. If we can come back up into like maybe like 4499 potentially, that would be great. We may not see it in pre-market though. We may just see a quick potential bounce in pre-market. NG just reversed as well. I think I'm gonna try an NG reversal off of this. And see if I can get filled. Sometimes it's tough to get filled NG here in pre-market. Okay. We're filled. I just got to stop below this low right here. Pretty tight risk to reward, to be honest. Alright, let's see what ES is doing. Well, we're getting smacked today. Down about 500 on each account. It's a tough day. The move that we wanted on NG happened, and for some reason, I moved stop loss tighter. So, definitely a game and a battle. The price action on SPY is absolutely terrible. So it's just a battle today. But we'll see what we can do. See if we can bring back this 500 bucks. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not going to over leverage or force anything right now, but it sucks. I hate having to step back again, but we're going to keep the head right, and we'll see where it takes us. So down 775 per account. My daily max cutoff is 1,000 minus 1,000. Just all I'm doing today is just trying to trade this chop and just trying to trade within this range right here. And it's just awful trading. That's one thing that it's hard for me to work on and focus on, is being stuck within that chop. But for right now, we're just gonna keep calm and just stick to just playing levels. Right? I know what I do wrong every time. I just sometimes it's just tough to really get through it. But we're gonna stick to just playing the levels here, and we're gonna try to make this back. I think I can definitely make it back. Again, I'm gonna keep contracts small, man. I'm not gonna go anything super crazy. And if we make back, half of it, I'm happy with that. But for right now, down 775 per account, and we're gonna see, how much we can bring this back. Like I said, I'm not after 1,000. I'm done, because usually that's when I'll start going on tilt, and we'll end up taking a much larger loss than needed. But for right now, we're cool, calm, and we're gonna see where it goes. So far not the best of days for sure. Not really seeing the market as clear as I would like. So it's okay though. We'll be okay. We are a little bit more green now on this SPY. Hopefully we can break below this 9, break below this 4434, and then this should be the dump. It's gonna be my goal here. It's just hard. It's been price action has just been very, very choppy recently. So it's an interesting kind of try to trade this. NGV's flying through these levels. So I definitely want, to get a piece of NGV up here, especially on the main account. AVGR is ripping, hit that 720 and went. So we're short on this NGV. We have room up to this, probably even up to this 728, but I'm hoping we can get this crack down below. And my target on this is going to be 2692. So it could be a relatively decent print. I'll do 2694. Just such a slow day. The market is just so flat overall. Looks like SPY's probably gonna break out here. SPY broke out. It's about to. Still here on NG. We need to close back below this level and we could be okay on NG. Like I said, I like this resistance up here. SPY rejects that. That looks pretty good, to be honest, for short. Again, we're just back into this chop, so it's just, ugh. It's just a frustrating range. I do like this rejection on SPY though. This thing breaks down pretty heavy for us, then we should get paid. We give out this low here. Looks like NGV is kind of making us red here for now, but this SPY does look pretty damn good. We're up around $100 a contract. I mean, honestly, we target these lows down here, these 442 lows. We could make back a decent bid here. We're up around 162 a contract. As long as we don't snap back above 4434, I'm good. We're up 4 points here. Looking really good, up $200 a contract. I'm gonna take it off here. I still have some options that I'm gonna start scaling out as well here at 30%. I need NGV to give out here. So we took ES at a decent spot. We still could definitely see a lot lower on it. But we were up around $30 on options contracts. Like I said, we reclaim this 4434, then I'm out of everything, because that looks like this NG is fucking absolutely ripping. I'm gonna take 2 more NGs, and I will stop out right above this high range up here. And then I'll be done for the day, because that should put us at the daily stop. I haven't yet reclaimed this 443 yet. So we're good. So we get lower here on SPY. Almost break even on NG as well. I need NG to dump back down to this 269 and we should be good. We're back green on NG. Like I said, I was playing this whole range. My goal was to short this entire range. We're coming up into a lot of supply up into here, so that was the intended goal. Wasn't planning on having this much size in it, but we'll see. Just need some continuation down and break that low. At least target this 9 EMA for first trim, and then target our 269 for lower. We need SPY to break this, and it should come down to our 242s. Up 23% on these option contracts. That $200 win on ES was pretty big for us. Up around 180 on these NGs. A 260 on NGs. This could potentially be first trim, but I would love to see the 9 EMA for first trim. We're up 340 on the NGs. I'm probably gonna take off 2 here. We can get fill if we can get the fill. SPY just reclaimed as well. So like I said, SPY reclaims that, then I'm going to get out of all of these option contracts. Here we go. We're up pretty big on these NGs. 420 on NGs. All right, we just closed 2 of them. We just made a pretty decent day back, man. Wow. Wow. Takes 1 trade, realistically 1 trade for you to bring back everything. Wow. See if we can come down to this 9 EMA. Wow. What an unbelievable trade, man. Great sell-off on NG. We're potentially going to go green here soon. Wow. Hitting the 9 EMA right now. I think I'm going to take this last contract here. Wow. I'm out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What a win. What a win. Down over 1,000, almost at my daily stop, and NG paid for us. All I was looking at was this supply up into here. All right, we took the rejection on the supply, on this pretty decent resistance up here, and ran it down to the 9 EMA, and it paid for us. Wow, what a recovery. Very happy with that. Unfortunately, I stopped out on my live account. The risk just wasn't as large as it was on the Apex accounts. But we're up overall on my live account with Webull and with options and small caps. So I mean 181. I mean it's gonna dig into it a little bit, but we're still sitting pretty good. Yeah, overall, man, what a comeback. What a comeback, dude. I mean down quite a bit. I mean that's over 20 racks on valuation, but still 20,000 to bring that shit back to close to break even. That feels really good. That just goes to show you, like, you taking the proper setup, that you only need 1 trade a day, right? You sit and you wait for the proper setup, the best possible setup, and you just sit and you wait. Take 1 trade a day, you know, size with conviction and take it, right? I need to stop taking a bunch of, you know, stupid little scalps or stupid little trades that just don't make sense, right? You know, the realistic best trade was to play bottom of range, reversal, target next range, right? You have a break and a retest to range, and then eventually you run, you know, you're running to your full PT. You know, take your rejection on your full PT if you see signs of reversal, and, you know, execute on that. But very, very happy with bringing that back. Ideally, I never should have gotten myself into $1,000 hole, but I feel okay about it. I'm probably going to be done. If anything, I'll walk away, you know, maybe we'll see what happens, but happy as hell with that. So we're going to go from there. We're going to try to not dig ourselves into a position like that again. We didn't go on tilt, which is great. You know, we'll just keep trying to execute from there. We'll see what it does when it gets back up into this range. We might just trend all day, or we might reject this range again. So we'll see, and If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll update if I do take another trade and end up update on the NP&L. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Attempted a short position here on NGV. My target's going to be below a break below this 9 EMA. And hopefully get back down to these lows here and target this 269 is going to be my ideal target. So 269.2 range. We just need to break this 9 EMA and hopefully break down this trend is the ideal goal. Bringing back a crazy ass loss today feels extremely good. So I don't want to give back anything too much on this trade. So just one contract here. And if it does hit, close to planned price target, it should be a relatively decent print. So risk is above high of day, and target's going to be down to this 292, ideally 29. If we get down to 27, I'll take 27 as well. AGVR is running for us. Looks really good. Ideal plan on AGVR is to get back up here for around 7%. Potential scales around 4%. NG's dump for us. So I'm scared of a bounce on this 9 EMA, right? Something like we've seen here and just continuing trend. But I like that we had a double top rejection with pretty decent follow through. So could get that break below this 9 EMA and then it could start a relatively strong break. But you do have to be fearful of the bounce on the 9 EMA. But we're fully green on the accounts today, which is crazy to say because we were down quite a bit. We were down over $1,000, so feels good. I almost want to just take green now because I'm up. There we go. There's the dump that we want. I want to try to get this down to these lows, like I said. Wow, what a dump. What a trade so far, man. Might just take here, to be honest. Might just be greedy and take here. I'm going to take it. 130 bucks. We're up $100 on the accounts. What a freaking day. What an absolute reversal of a day, dude. Holy hell. Whew. I was just trading so shitty earlier and just got super emotional. I honestly kept it pretty in check though. For being down 1,000, I kept it pretty in check. Obviously the NGV with some size definitely paid for us, definitely. But I was able to keep it in check, being down that much. But what a comeback. I don't always usually, I'm usually done trading by then, but what a comeback. And our AGVR is popping for us as well. Full target is around 760. I'll probably get some scales off here, but I'm right. Might hold itself for 760. Stop loss break even. But yeah, guys, overall, just wow is all I can say. Wow. Feel very good about today. Need to work on how I was able to get down such a large amount, but we were able to come back. So feel very good about these accounts and just gonna keep riding it out and see where it takes us. Yeah, I'm definitely see where NG's at. Pretty close to where we sold. But yeah, overall, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. We brought these accounts back to life. So happy. Gonna work on the risk and work on the trades that I kind of messed up today, and the reason why we got in so much risk, just trading too much chop, right? Didn't wait for the actual setup. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the video tomorrow. Peace.